Hello po sa inyo lahat and welcome back po dito sa Ultramathing. So sa video na po ito, ang pag-uusapan po natin is dividing polynomials. So meron po tayong unang example dito. Okay, ang example natin ay si m squared minus 7m minus 11. Divide po natin yan sa m minus 8. Sa pag-divide po ng polynomials, ang kailangan nyo po is isa-isahin natin yung mga terms na nasa loob. So, itong si m squared, divide natin siya kay m. So, m squared divided by m. So, that is, okay. So, magiging m raised to 2 minus 1. This is po the properties of exponent. So, magiging m raised to 1. So, lagay po natin yan dito. Pagkatapos, itong si m, okay, i-multiply natin yan dito sa ating m. Erase ko lang yan. Okay. So, multiply natin itong si m times m. So, m times m is m squared. Okay. Okay. So, lagay natin yan dito, m squared. Tapos, m times negative 8 is negative 8m. Tapos, subtract natin yung dalawa. M squared minus m squared, that's 0. Negative 7m minus negative 8m. So, negative times negative, magiging positive. So, magiging 8m po yan minus 7m. So, meron po tayong m na natira. Tapos, bring down po natin itong si negative 11. So, we have m minus 11. So, m minus 11 divided by m minus 8. So, una, divide natin m divided by m. So, m divided by m, that's m raised to 1 minus 1. That is equal to m raised to 0, and everything that is raised to 0 is equal to 1. So, lagay po natin dito, plus 1. So, 1 times m, that's m. 1 times negative 8, that's negative 8. So, subtract po natin sila ulit. That's m minus m, that's 0. Negative 11 minus negative 8, which is itong negative times negative, magiging positive. So, magiging negative 11 plus 8, it will be negative 3. So, ayan po, our final answer now is m plus 1. Ito siya. Tapos, yung ating remainder, that's negative 3. So, isulat natin, negative 3 all over our divisor, which is m minus 8. So, yan po yung ating final answer sa ating question number 1. So, our second example is n squared minus n minus 29 divided by n minus 6. So, gaya nung sabi ko sa inyo kanina, iisa-isahin po natin siya. So, n squared divided by n. So, that's n squared divided by n. That's n squared minus 1. So, that's n. So, yung n, ilalagay natin dyan. Tapos, i-multiply natin to isa-isa sa ating divisor. So, n times n, that's n squared. N times negative 6, that's negative 6n. Pagkatapos, subtract po natin yan. N squared minus n squared, that's 0. Negative n minus negative 6n, so that's negative times negative, magiging positive po yan. So, ito siya magiging positive. So, change ko lang yung color para mas, yan siya. So, magiging positive po yan dyan. So, si negative n plus ating positive 6n, then that will be plus 5n. Tapos, bring down lang po natin si negative 29. So, ngayon po, divide po natin si 5n minus 29 kay n minus 6. So, si 5n divided by n is 5 po. Okay, so plus 5. So, 5 times n, that's 5n. 5 times negative 6, that's negative 30. Okay, so tapos, subtract natin ang dalawa. So, that's 5n minus 5n, that's 0. negative 29 minus negative 30, magiging 1 na lang po yung natira. Okay? So, our final answer now is ito, nakuha natin. So, our final answer is n plus 5. Tapos, yung ating remainder, positive siya. So, plus 1 over n minus 6. So, yan po yung ating final answer for our second example. We have our third example. Our third example is n squared plus 10n plus 18. Divide natin yan kay n plus 5. So, same pa rin ang gagawin. N squared divided by n. That's n. N times n squared. N times 5, that's 5n. So, subtract natin siya. N squared minus n squared, that's 0. 10n minus 5n, that is positive 5n. Okay, tapos bring down natin si 18. Then, divide 5n kay n, that is 5. Positive po sila both. So, 5 times n, that's 5n. 5 times 5, that's positive 25. So, subtract natin silang dalawa. 5n minus 5n, that's 0. 18 minus 25, that is negative 7. So, our answer is this. Okay, n plus 5. Tapos, i-copy natin yung kanyang remainder, minus 7 over the divisor, n plus 5. So, ganun lang po ang paraan kung paano po tayo mag-divide ng polynomials. Sana po ay meron kayong natutunan and see you po on my next video.